I'm Davey Andres Pantoja. I'm from the group 199, and I'm here to present our linear programming problem solved by AI and another tool. So, first of all, we have the problem statement. This problem statement was made by ChatGPT, the product made by OpenAI. We got first of all the definition of our variables. We have three different variables. Each of them is a type of pasta to produce. And those are the products that we are going to sell. We got the objective function, which is the profit, because we want to win as much money as possible. So that's the profit of each of the pasta types that we have. Then we have the constraints, which are the resources. Those are the resources that we have available in order to produce our three types of pasta. We cannot produce more pasta than our resources can give us. So we need to figure out how much of each pasta type we need to produce to win the most amount of money without needing more resources than we already have. With this statement, we have five equations. If you think about the last one as an equation as well, which it is, and then we have this statement on our tool in which you can see it is a matrix. We can think on this problem like a matrix. So we have the first iteration of our problem, we have the objective function, and we have our constraints. We need to be changing this matrix until we get an optimal solution. This is the optimal solution of our tool. You can notice that the x number 3, which means the type 3 of pasta, doesn't appear here. That is because the best way to have the highest amount of money possible is without producing this type of pasta. We're just gonna produce type 1 and type 2. We are gonna produce 71.429 of pasta number 1 and 571.429 of pasta number 2. That's the way that we can win this amount of money. If you check it is 1,314,285.714. That is the amount of money that we can win producing this quantity of pasta. Also, we are using all of our resources producing those numbers. So that is like an instruction of how much you need to produce to win as much money as you can with your resources and no more. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a nice day. Bye bye.